Niggas don't know who the bitch really is. Tell y'all. I mix nation for real.
I'm so goddamn good, I can't walk straight. You know I flex on my off day. Ballin', yeah, that's what they all say. Please do not rub me the wrong way. All of you roaches get hit with the all spray. Talking that big shit, speak like walk with a big stick. Got your bitch panties on drip drip. Good gas smoking off the big zip. I'm 1 time, 2 times, 3 times a champion. Ye told me so, I guess therefore I am. Then I'm up the top row, call me Fweago. Vandal, my deep finesse on my way to success. Yeah, bless, check, fresh. I'm so clean, I'm like Crush. Ultralight beam on my tech, headshot, nigga, fuck your vest. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, this rap shit. Water diamonds, dance like Fiji is magic. All my new shit sound like sounds from the raptures. Fweago ballin', could've signed for the Raptors. First to death, I put Supreme on my casket. Dippin' dabbing, I'm the fronted for fashion. I don't ask her, she get straight to the action. Fweago Film Productions, lights, camera, action.
Yeah, who would've thought? Down, who would've thought? Who did it? Who didn't? Yeah, man, who would've thought? Down, who would've thought? Who really would've thought? Really though, a young nigga from Northeast Side to make it like this. You was
bro boy, oh boy, slow boy. No bread, bitch, you a bro boy. Montclair fur for the cowboy. Raps amendment with the Saint Laurent. Big body parallel double pump. This can be MVP. All these niggas envy me. I hop on that pussy like who the man. Diamonds they water like you could tan. Hop out here you and your shooter man. Double V's out they like who the clan. Who the man, who the man, who the man. Who the man, who the man, who the man. Who the man, who the man, who the man. Who the man, who the man, who the man, who the man, who the man.